Welcome to Uni Channel. Play around with your iPhone ProRes video. Connect an SSD. This video provides you with a super detailed tutorial to solve your confusion at the same time. Does iPhone 15 Pro series USB-C support all SSD drives? What kind of SSD can I use with the new iPhone 15 Pros? The points to be a witness. Get started now. Let's start with step-by-step ProRes tutorial. Turn on the ProRes. To record video in ProRes format on your iPhone, go to Settings, Camera, Format, and turn on Apple ProRes under Video Capture. To record ProRes video, tap the ProRes Apple ProRes icon in the Camera app. When app conditions are met, you are in ProRes video recording mode and a USB-C drive is plugged in. You get a little USB-C indicator on the screen. ProRes video files are recorded directly to the DCIM 100 Apple folder on the external storage. That'll feel familiar to many video pros out there. The recent clips indicator in the video recording viewer will reflect the external storage and not the Photos app when it is plugged in and working. That's great! So you can tap and browse the clips on the external storage. You can also delete those clips you don't want. ProRes files are up to 30 times larger than HEVC files in terms of size. You can store and manage ProRes files on iPhone, iCloud, or on an external storage device connected via USB-C using iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. iPhone 15 Pro, one big addition for video folks is the ability to shoot video straight to an externally plugged-in USB-C drive. This is made possible because the iPhone 15s now have USB-C as their connection port. The Lightning connector is gone. When using it, we may have some points to focus on. Several formats are commonly used. Then for iPhone, only FAT32 and exFAT are supported. NFTs only works with Windows. If the format of the SSD you inserted is NFTs, it would not be able to be read on the iPhone. At this time, you need to use the tool to convert the format of the file. There are some points to be aware of. First of all, use a Mac or PC to format your external storage device with exFAT. Password-encrypted drives aren't supported. Secondly, use a USB 3 cable with speed of at least 10 gigabit per second. What's more, your external storage device must write at speeds of at least 220 megabit per second. If you attach a slower external storage device, you might get a slow recording speed message. Then, use the Files app to manage your ProRes files. If you found this video helpful, leave a like to us. Also, if there is anything you would like to comment, please leave below. Uni team would like to hear from more consumers.